What I like to do right now, I want you to think about your dream. Think about your dream right now. Think about your dream right now and envision it. I don't know what the dream is what you have. I don't care how disappointed it might to be when you are working towards your dream. But here is what I know. That's that dream what you are holding in your mind. That is possible. See, sometimes we can say, I can do that. But what we can't say, that is possible. That I can have my dream. As we run toward it, as we work on it day in and day out. Most people don't work on their dreams. Why? They stop growing, they stop working on themselves, they stop stretching, they stop pushing themselves. These are not risk takers. Most people have done all they're ever going to do. They raise a family, they earn a living, all, and then they die. But people who are running towards their dream, life has a special kind of meaning. That in the process of working on your dream, you are going to enter a lot of disappointment, a lot of failure, a lot of pain, a lot of setbacks, a lot of defeats. But in the process of doing that, you will discover some things about yourself that you don't know right now. What you realize is that you are more powerful than you ever begin to imagine. Ally yourself with people that can encourage you, people that can empower you, people that you can learn from, people that you can grow from. Look at your life, look at where you want to go. Don't worry about circumstances. Don't worry about your age. This is time now. You wanna make this your decade. You have got to start saying yes to your life. You have got to start saying yes to your dreams. Yes to your unfolding future. Yes to your potential. Why not? I say why not? The future is unfolding for you right now. The future is unlimited for you right now. No one knows where you can go. No one knows what you can do, what you are capable of, what is possible for you. We have the power to change our circumstances, changing the direction of our life, changing our thoughts, changing where we wanna go, exploring new arrivals. So you begin to look at this decade, confirming that this is your decade. As you set the goals that will make you certain, that will bring out the best of you, and you begin to remove the negative, toxic people from your life. You decide to take some chances in your life, and that's one of the phases very important. This thought, if you are not willing to rise, you cannot grow. And if you cannot grow, you cannot become your best. And if you cannot become your best, you cannot be happy. And if you cannot be happy, what else is there? Never be a point in your life where is the right time to do a great thing. If you wait for the perfect moment, the perfect time is not going to happen. You know what you have to do? You have to create the perfect time and the perfect opportunity and the perfect situation. So a lot of people become comfortable. They stop growing, they stop winning anything, they become satisfied. People getting ready to go to jobs that they don't like, jobs that are making them sick. You see, when you are not pursuing your goal, you are literally committing spiritual suicide. When you have some goal, on the other hand, just stretching for, reaching for, and take you out of comfort zone, you have find some talent and ability you have. What you are going to do, what will keep you in the game. There are things that you think you never need to know, that you need to only know one time in your life, but that can save your life because you have knowledge. That you do attempt to do something beyond that you already know, which you already mastered, you never grow. What is that when you look at some point in time and decided you couldn't do it, but you talk to yourself out of it? One reason that you can remember, that you can call on, that you can reach on, that can make you get back up. Find that reason. You are not where you are. If you don't have what you want to have, if you are not where you think you should be, this particular place nothing to do with the system, but has everything to do with the fact that you are not making the sacrifice. I want you to make that dream become a reality. Because if you don't, you will be working for somebody else to make their dream become a reality. The question is what you want to do with your time. The greatness is a lot of small things done well. Day after day, work up after work up, you have to believe day after day. When things don't work out for you, when things happen that you could not anticipate, one of the reasons that you can think of that can keep you so strong. You will never ever be successful until you turn your pain into greatness, until you allow your pain to push you where you are and where you need to be. Start running from your pain and wash your pain because it's going to be part of your past, a part of your power, and add a challenge to push yourself. It's easy to be on a border and doesn't take any answer to be a loser. Doesn't take any motivation to try in order to stay on the long left, but it's cause on everything you have in. You have to punish your will the same and go and challenge myself. Today is a very important day. You have 86,400 seconds in a day. So what you do today is going to be seen who you are. Nobody talk about what you do in the last week. You have the opportunity of the lifetimes. It means absolutely nothing if you don't take advantage of it. And the lifetime is the opportunity. If you wanna think bad enough, go on and fight. To work day and night for. To give up your time, your peace, your sleep. It's all about your dream and dreams about life seem useless and worthless without it.